Beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about a new holiday set and it's from Urban Decay. I got it from Ulta and it's called Starfire Heavy Metal Eyeliner Set. So that's how it looks like, and it contains 3 glitter eyeliners from Urban Decay, and I think one glitter liner retails for around $15 to $20, and this whole set is for $39. For $39 you're getting like 3 heavy metal eyeliner. So yeah, that's that, and it says the value of this set is $60. So yeah, here you are getting one gold shade, which is like a very favorite among everybody, and rest of the 2 shades are new addition to this line. So the first one is gold, middle one is like coppery shimmer shade, and the last one is like pinky glittery shade. So that's how the packaging looks like. It's very beautiful. This set is like very appropriate for somebody who's really into glitter thing, because these glitter liners, I know for sure they perform very good. I'll be showing you all the swatches. I'll be applying one of these on my lashes today and show you how it works in actual real life. But I really love the formula, and I have been swatching these in the stores for a long time now, and I wanted to get them, but I didn't want it to spend $20 on single eyeliner. So I waited for holiday, and I think this is the best time to buy this thing in a set, where you're getting like 3 shades for like $40. I don't care about the quantity because most of my makeup gets wasted. I can't use all of it every time, so I think this thing would work for me. And now, without wasting much time, I'll show you the swatches for 3 of these, and I'll try to apply one of these on my lashes and show you how it looks. So guys, that's how the tube looks like, and it's the golden glitter eyeliner, and the shade name is Midnight Cowboy. And here you can see the applicator. It's like very precise, very thin brush applicator, and I think it would make application more easier. So let's swatch this one. So guys, that's the swatch for Midnight Cowboy, and as you can see, the glitter payoff is like really good. I would like to build it up. Guys, for a glitter liner, for one swipe, I think the glitter payoff was really good, and when I swiped it a second time, I think it got even better. So it didn't remove the previously placed glitter, it just built up the glitter thing, and I think this is like really good glitter eyeliner. And I would have to test it on my eyes so that I can see it's burning on my eyes or not. So yeah, this is Midnight Cowboy. So here is second glitter eyeliner, and it's called Starfire. So this thing too have like thin brush applicator. Let's swatch it. So this has more of coppery base and coppery glitter, and glitter payoff for one swipe is like really good. Let's build it up. You can see here are 2 swipes of Starfire, and first one is more golden glitter, second one is more coppery glitter. So that's how both of these eyeliners look like. So the third and last eyeliner in this kit is this one. This one has pinky corally silverish glitter in it, and it's called Volume. So again, it has thin brush tip applicator. Let's swipe it once. So that's how this looks like with one swipe. Let's build it up. So guys, here you can see Volume, and it has kind of pinkish corally base with multi dimensional shimmers or glitters in it. It's reflecting a lot of colors. I really love all 3 eyeliners provided in this kit, and now it's time to try out one of these on my lashes. Like to try out Starfire on my lashes. I'll bring you guys a little closer and show you how it applies and how it looks. I think this is a really good item to put in your makeup kit for holidays, because you can do all your makeup as you do it regularly, and just for that glitter punch you can apply this eyeliner on top of everything and everything would look holiday appropriate. So those are my thoughts. Now I'll bring you a little closer and apply this eyeliner. So guys, that's how this eyeliner looks like on my lashes. I think it was pretty easy to apply. I'm not a pro when it comes to applying eyeliner, but I think that's the fun part of it, because not everybody is pro when it comes to applying makeup. So if I can do it, probably you'll be able to do it easily too. So that's the whole point of this exercise. I really love how it looks, and I think you need to have a darker base underneath for this thing to pop. So I had black eyeliner underneath and it's looking really good on top of it. So you can have any color eyeliner underneath and put this glitter on top of it. For now I'm not feeling anything. I still feel it's wet. It's taking some time to dry, but it's not burning my eyes or anything, and glitter payoff for 2 swipes are like really good. I can see a lot of glitter on my lashes. I don't know if my camera is picking it up or not, but it's looking really beautiful. So let's do my other eye and then I'll be give you my final views on this product. Those were swatches and application for these glitter eyeliners, and I really love these glitter eyeliners. These are really neutral kind of shades in one set, which you can use for multiple eye looks, and these are very holiday appropriate. The glitter in it is like really nice and eye friendly. It's not like chunky or something which would hurt your eyes. It's not flying off everywhere once it's dry. You can see here are the swatches, and I rubbed it couple of times and nothing is coming off. So yeah, glitter would stay intact with these glitter liners, and it looks really beautiful once you have it on. I haven't tried it on my inner tear duct or on my lid, but as an eyeliner I feel it wears great. So in my opinion it's 100% worth spending your money on, and it'll be really a good thing to have in your makeup kit just to take your look from day to day to glam kind of look. So yeah, those were my opinions on this set. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more holiday reviews. Bye bye.